and press the bell icon.
But I wanted to get into the analytics field, so I had prepared my CV in that manner. So if you ask me what specifics we would need to know to get into a data analytics job, because a lot of students from non-IT related streams are also getting into analytics these days. So what you need to know in terms of Python, you need to be very strong with NumPy and Pandas libraries. These two libraries you need to be very strong at. Other than that, you can do, you need to also know thoroughly sklearn library. So in sklearn, you will find all the classification and regression algorithms defined within it. Other than that, there will be a couple of libraries for data visualization. For example, Matplotlib, Cbon, which you can easily learn. Those are very easy to learn. And yes, and they should be the main libraries you should focus on. You should be strong at this. Other than that, if you know R, that's very good. R you will learn along with your course. When you are preparing for data science, R will be a part of it. SQL and one data visualization software, if you know, that would be very good, either Power BI or Tableau.